but deep inside their mind. I see brothers chasing shadows in the sun, selling their souls just to look like someone. Sisters hiding pain behind the screen, living for likes, dying unseen. They call it freedom, but I see control. They call it progress, but it's eating their soul. A man in a suit with a heart made of stone, surrounded by people but dying alone. Break these chains of the mind. Open your eyes, you've been blind. Freedom is not a car or gold, it's the courage to live what your spirit told. Break these chains of the mind. Open your eyes, you've been blind. Freedom is not a car or gold, it's the courage to live what your spirit told. They teach the child to chase the grave, not the truth that life has made. They build schools but hide the key to who we were born to be. The preacher speaks of love on Sunday, but hates his brother on Monday. We wear crosses yet carry knives, chained in comfort, wasting our lives. I see the chains invisible but real. They bind the soul, they numb what we feel. But Jah gave man the fire to rise, the power to see through all the lies. Yeah. One day the mirror will speak back, show you the freedom that you lack. You will realize no man owns your mind, no system, no dollar, no sign. Tear off the mask, open your eyes. The kingdom of Jah is not in the skies, it's within you, waiting to shine. But you must break